Man, my boy Brandon. Oh my God, there go the nostrils. See, I call these the nostrils. Ooh. This boy done traded in the sublime grind, sublime green. It's still early. I only had 1 cup of coffee. Boy, he done traded in for the Redeye. Oh, it's already got the snorkels open and everything. Wow. How much horsepower is on this? 797. Stock. What you gonna do to her first? Deletes? You already did the deletes? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Woo. Look at the super. The super. Oh my God, my God, my God. I know you itching to take me for a ride in that bad boy. Oh shit, we gonna go take a ride in it. Yeah. Yeah. Blue cheese, drip. Blue cheese, drip. Blue cheese, drip. It's your boy Anthony Peso. It's your boy Trill. Representing the icebreakers. Got blue cheese all in the zip. Might vape, might dab a little bit. Keep a 15 and know how to split. Hold up, let me dust the crumble off my ascot. Give my team another dub with the last shot. Known to run these numbers up, this is clutch season. At times I like to blow a bag just for no reason. I'm dripping and skating and ghosts. My change up keeps you out of focus. The ocho, the ocho, the ocho. Only understand commas and these decimals. I need extra O's. I roll my vegetables. And these links on my neck drip liquid gold. This is God, me finesse, demi got exposed. Everything that I touch, automatic go. Blue cheese, drip. Ooh, this the SRT. This the Redeye, bitches.
GPS connected.
We're gonna come with an official episode. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is my first time in a Redeye.
Really?
He said, really?
They be mad at me, like, hey, you taking people for rides? I'm like, yeah.
Hey man, it's called customer relations. There's a whole department behind that.
I gotta drive out here out the backside.
Right.
On this side.
That red start. I wonder if I should have waited for him to pull it all the way. He said he was just going to grab the car. So I'm here.
Oh, you gonna get your car?
Getting my oil changed. Yeah, he had to write somebody up first. So I just want to make sure he knows about the. They already pulled it back. Oh yeah, he's got the thing, so he's good. There go my baby. He knows what's up.
Got him.
I be forgetting his name. Ivan. Okay. Yeah, I hope they don't never get rid of him, man. He's cool people.
He quit for a little bit and then come back.
How's Nick doing?
Good.
Let me grab that set. I was coming off the highway, and there's a mom driver. All right,
Mom driver.
I just kind of was like, whoa.
The old mom driver.
Yo, mama driver. Woo. I'm gonna keep this to 5 minutes. I'm gonna keep this short. This is gonna be a short video. It's gonna be a 5-minute joint on the cell phone. Something told me to bring my damn whole rig up, but they would have really been like, okay, this dude about to do some crazy shit. So this is the wide body Redeye. Still? Wow. He said that thing is still fishtail at 85 an hour. Wow.
Here's the wine.
that the supercharger?
Yeah, it's more significant in this car than it was in the other one.
So in mine, I'd have to add the supercharger, but would that fuck my warranty up?
I mean,
It would because it's added, right? Oh, okay.
The only way it messes your warranty up is if something happens to the car and it is clearly defined as the supercharger, whatever you added to it.
Yeah.
What's the cost?
Okay. Are they gonna be able to do my oil change with those lights under there?
Should be.
Okay. They don't have to remove any like big piece. Okay. Cool. Thought about that all night, and I didn't bring any extra zip ties.
We're gonna Sonic
Oh, okay.
start.
Sonic Run. I so want to get a new hood on mine. Like, I would have never known you traded the other. So in case if y'all are just now tuning in to Icebreaker Show, this is my boy that like got me my first start on the vlog shit. We hit 300 views real quick. Mr. Sublime Green Charger Hellcat. He done traded the Joker Hellcat, the COVID Hellcat, whatever you want to define it as, in for this Redeye. I know you're super happy with it.
That car's for sale, by the way.
That car is for sale. Come see him if you're trying to buy it.
You want some breakfast?
No, I'm all right, brother.
Can I get a number 15 Ultimate Meat? Can I get
All right, so we're gonna check back in. Love y'all. Boom.
Blue cheese, drip. Blue cheese, drip. Blue cheese,